Oh my gosh, Willie, did you just get ran over by the train?
We're feeding. Is there any food on here? Where's it? Yeah, there's peanuts in there. Did you forget? There's peanuts in there.
We're stranded on a train.
Some peanuts. Yeah. We're feeding. Yeah, look
On
over
the
there.
train.
No, where's it? Yeah, there's peanuts in there. Did you forget? There's peanuts in there.
We need to find a way.
Give me some peanuts.
Yeah.
Give me the peanuts. Yeah, look
on
over
the
there
train.
in the corner. No, on the other side. Battery.
Wow,
No,
we're up on this
peanuts.
train.
Look, there's peanuts over
We're
there.
not cold. Stop. We need to...
Give me the peanuts.
Uh-oh. Well, we have cold now.
Bro, there's peanuts in there.
So we're going to get the drink. Wait, how did I get on it? We need to try. Uh-oh. Well, we have cold now. So we're going to get stranded. Wait, how did we get on here? Anyways, let me just... Well, we're on a train. And we're slowly moving. We need to get to the back of Okay. This train is not stuck. False news. I have to record a video. This is not an emergency. We're currently on a train, and for some reason it is going backwards. The train is going backwards. This is not an emergency. The train likes going backwards. It will turn around soon. As you can see, it is train, and it is backwards. Let me show you that. This train's just so we need to find something to do. Let me show you that this train's just going backwards and that I'm not lying. It's just a backwards train. This is a train. Backwards trains are real. What? And this is a train. It is a toy train. It goes backwards, then forwards. It is currently going backwards. And cameraman just dropped the camera. Well, let us get a good angle. It is it. We're trying to use that little cool left. It is a backwards train. They're trying to use, and we are stuck on it. It is it. We're trying to use as little coal as possible. Stop. They're trying to use no coal. They're trying to use The train has stopped. We're at the end of the tracks. I think it's going to come around. Yeah. Oh, and also Willie just got run over by the train. So. Uh-oh. So I guess it's... Well, the train's going forward.
So then we're good back on the
So I guess it's... Well, no more backwards train yet. Is that good, Willie? This is rarely hot. Willie, wake up. Hey, can I get thrown in the pit of coal? You cannot get thrown in the pit of coal, Willie. I want to get thrown in the pit of coal. It's so fun. Willie, you're going to catch on fire. Oh, I know. Oh, well. Also, don't go to the bathroom. There's no flush. They're going to explode. So there is train. Smoking. What shall we do with trees? They are going to explode now. So, yeah. What shall we do with trains? This video is going to be bad. What's the video called? Ordy's going down for Awful Close Willie. This is not good news. Not good. Ignore that. Camera's faulty. Now. How dare you? My name is Willie. Wow, first my thing to Ed all again. Well, technically, when we first made the video in March, so it didn't come so smart. Well, here proves that we are on train. There's track, and of course, you know that that's it. This is gonna be boring. We need to do what makes this video better. My name is Willie, and we are not the Mickeys. I am not Mickey. Wow. Let's go.
When I was talking to him, I thought they dropped people off.
That is the train. I'm not dear Willie. Why don't you do it, also, this comes as best. That is the train. I'm not dear Willie. Why don't you burn on the stove? Yeah, burn on the stove. Burn to a crisp. Yeah, burn to a crisp. This is fun. I love getting burnt on the stove. Don't worry, that's not the world ending. It is just a train. Let's stop pretending there's nothing. Get some peace. The channel's becoming enough. Well, might as well just go back and forth. I mean, also watch your videos and Chi News. This channel's becoming one of those channels I tell you to subscribe. Train is no longer moving backwards. Oh yeah. 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 I need to go. And now, I'm Willie. Yep, you are Willie. We need to go explore. Why are you becoming so smart? Train is no longer moving backwards. Well, no longer moving backwards. And that is a big horn. We need to get more educated. That horn is soon going to explode. And apparently we are the Mickeys. But I'm Oswald. I'm a rabbit. People need to get more educated. All of you, get more educated. How I'll be back into your making up voices. Tell me your vocabulary. Beep beep bop it. Buffer buffy zing. Yeah. You get to stay in train. But moving. And also, if you pay money, you can stay. You get to stay in the special car. But now, send the bus. The person holding on to the train. The hotel broke off.
You holding on? Lift your hat.
The person holding on to the train. Yeah, a bear accidentally bit him, so now they left. They're just gone now. This train is not speeding up.
Yeah, that's the end of the track. Are we going back?
So, why is that? Well, Willie, you dragged me onto here. Everybody knows I have a big fear of trains. Why is that? Because in my 1927 cartoon piece, we sat out on something. This guy tried to shoot us. My butt became a stone, and I had to get dragged along the train tracks and hop on the back. This is why I do not like the trains or the back of trains.
Goodbye.
And this is the back of a train. Look, back, train, other train. All over there. Whoop. Goodbye. 3, 2. Oh my gosh, Willie, did you just get ran over by the train? Yeah, I like getting hurt.